Hi, so for this video we're going to do a tutorial for a Punnett square. So let's start drawing the Punnett square first. Basically one big square. And inside that square basically represent, like just one trait, another trait from each parent. And for this example, I'm getting tired of using pea plants. I'm going to use my favorite comic book, well, one of my favorites, the X-Men, and we'll use Wolverine's healing powers as an example. Okay, and let's assume that to have that power, you need to have a recessive homozygous recessive trait. Okay, because it's much rarer, it's much harder to have, and you have to have both alleles to be mutated to get it. Okay, so the first thing you do when you write down the Punnett square, you write down the parent's genotype. The first thing you do is to write the parent genotype. So in this case, Wolverine carries 2 lowercase h's, and the mother, since we know as a fact that everyone does not have the healing powers, so she does not carry the recessive one at all. So capital H, and these guys represent the parent genotype. Parent genotype. This represents the mother genotype. Whoever got lucky with Wolverine, because he's a beast. Well, not the beast, but he is a beast. Okay. I know my comic book lore. Beast is a blue guy. So the parent genotype. Okay. So when you do the Punnett square, all you gotta do is to fill in the squares with one trait at a time. So the mother will give her allele for this one here, for this capital H through this way. Her capital H also goes through here and here. For Wolverines, and go through here. Goes down this way. This one like this, and like this. Okay. As you can see, it's a very simple, non-complicated situation. So let's go write down the results. And when you use a Punnett square, you look at the diagram to understand what are the outcomes, what is the probability, what is the phenotype you'll be observing. So the genotype here, okay, it's very simple. It's the capital H, lowercase h. Okay. In the meantime, the phenotype. Okay. I said to be healing, to have the healing powers, you need to have the both recessive alleles, but we don't. None of them have a homozygous recessive genetic trait. So the phenotype is basically no healing power. Okay, so everyone in the diagram, so 100% the genotype will be capital H, lowercase h, and the phenotype, because there's no other recessive homozygous trait going on, so it's no healing power. Okay, so that's the basis of a Punnett square. In the next video, I'll demonstrate a monohybrid cross. And until then, I'll see you next time.